Alright guys, so this green one looks easy enough. It looks like there's just two little tabs here to push up and it will lift up. So let's go ahead and see if that works. There's these two tabs. Give it a little pull. There's another tab there. And that looks easy enough, guys. So yeah, these two little tabs push kind of forward right here. There's one here and there's one on the other side, and pushes forward. Now keep in mind, this is my first time doing this and I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but this is, if anything, this would potentially give you confidence to maybe tackle this yourself if it's something you were interested in doing. This white one has two little tabs that just move up, and see what else. Oh, there's another thing in there in the white. We push it together, so it's a two-step process, and it comes up. And once that one comes up, is that it? It looks like there's another part to that, but it's kind of hard to tell. This one's stiff and it's not gonna let me see anymore, but that's it. Oh, that one leaks. That one leaks. This towel here. Oh, what a mess. That one leaks a little bit. Just a little bit though. Keep in mind the bottom has a the bottom pressure. I don't know how much pressure that relieves, but I'm gonna go ahead and say so far this is pretty easy. This one just has two push pin thing type of situation where, but this bottom side is hard to reach. Let's see if I can't, you know, it seems like this one's the most difficult just from its location, but no, like I can get it. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Got it up. I would call this an easy job, guys. I will go ahead and say this is an easy job. So looks like you gotta spin this. It's messy. I mean, that's not good, but that's definitely a little messy. Grab another rag. Alright guys, so here is the new fuel filter. Hopefully it goes on just as easy as it came off. Let's see here. Alright, it does tell you which one's in and out, so that's nice. Good to know. There's only really one way to do it. It did seem like it had to spin this way though in order to like seat properly. So yep, it does. Look at that. Let's lift these up, and boom, it snaps in there. It locks it in easy. So this one was the hardest to get off, so we'll put it on first, and just like that. Making sure they get in there all the way. All right, that seems good. Boom. And oh yeah, it's locked. You can feel it engage. Number 2. Let's give a little spin this way so it's straight. Push it on there. Oh, it kind of works with you. That's nice. And then you gotta, I would assume, push this down. Easy, man, really easy. Yeah, I mean, doesn't get any easier than that, huh? Make sure these are on there. They are. And then the third one. Boom. Just make sure this is all the way up. Yep. It's kind of wanting you to push that down, looks like. Yeah, it is. And it's on. That's easy. Wow. What an easy process. So everything looks good here, tight here, and all the clips are engaged. So yeah, it's that easy, guys. So next step, I guess now, is to go underneath the truck. See you guys under the truck.